In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Play Balance. If you've ever added a gift card, redeemed a promo code, or received credits from promotions, that total sits in your Google Play Balance and can be used to pay for eligible apps, games, movies, and even some subscriptions. The easiest and most reliable way to use it is right at checkout, and I'll walk you through exactly how that looks so there are no surprises. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Browse to the app, game, movie, or subscription you want. When you're ready, tap the price or the button that starts the purchase. That brings up the payment screen. Here, tap Payment Method to see your available options. From the list, select Google Play Balance. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that actually holds the balance and that the item you're buying is eligible to be purchased with Play Balance. Once you've selected it, tap Buy or Confirm to finalize. On subscriptions, the button may say Subscribe. The flow is the same, and you'll see the charge details before you agree. If your Play Balance is enough to cover the full price, you're all set. The purchase will be paid entirely from that balance. You'll get a confirmation, and no other payment method will be charged. If your balance isn't enough, many users will see the option to combine it with another saved payment method. In that case, your Play Balance is used first, and the remaining amount is charged to your backup method. Whether combining is available can depend on your country, the specific item, and your account settings. If it isn't offered, you'll need enough balance to cover the full cost or choose a different payment method for that purchase. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Double-check that you're using the correct Google account before you buy, especially if you manage more than one. Taxes and fees are included in what you pay, so your balance needs to cover the final total, not just the listed price. For subscriptions, your initial payment can come from Play Balance, but future renewals will need balance available at the time of renewal, or they'll charge your backup method if allowed. And finally, Play Balance is generally non-transferable and can't be withdrawn as cash. That's the whole process. Open the Play Store, pick what you want, choose Google Play Balance on the payment screen, and confirm. Simple, fast, and a great way to use the credits you already have.